A for angel. B for bed. C for cake. D for drum. E for egg. F for fruits. G for girl. H for honey. I for ice cream. J for jacket. K for kite. L for lotus. M for mother. N for nose. O for owl. P for pumpkin. Q for quetzal. R for rice. S for strawberry. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for vulture. W for wall. X for Xerox machine. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Thank you for watching.